All right, Matt, open that thing up. All right, what's the story behind this rig?
Well, this is my grandpa's 63 Chevy pickup, fleet side, with a 292 inline 6 motor in it. It has been sitting for approximately 26 years. And this is the first time it will be out of the barn in over 26 years.
So today, we're gonna get it fired up and we're gonna drive it out of here onto a trailer.
God,
all right.
Hilarious.
So we got 3 of the 4 tires aired up, literally rows out of dirt. They take air, they're holding so far. We got old Austin there.
Oh yeah.
Matt's back there digging all the shit out of the back of it. And what do you know, we found a brand new bench grinder back there.
Hell yeah. Oh.
I'm getting ready to do the points. And then we're gonna do plugs, wires, cap rotor,
hey, Austin.
and throw a battery in her.
That shit over to me.
And she's gonna fire up. Oh, we got the carb off the other day. That's all we did was take the carb off and see if it turned over, and it did. And so we took it home and cleaned it, rebuilt it. But so yeah.
That's gotta be what that's for. What? I love these latches. It's just awesome. The hangover's wearing off too.
Yeah, boys.
Did you turn, or did you, hang on.
We brought a little air tank for everything.
Regulator. Oh.
There's the brand new bench grinder we found in there.
Yeah. Other way.
Never know what you find. All right, so we got the new battery in. We got plugs, wires, points, condenser, new coil. We're gonna start her up soon. Got the carb back on. We got a little tiny peanut tank here, and we're just gonna run it straight to the fuel pump and then fire it up. We didn't want to take a chance of getting crud from the tank and the cleaned carb. So,
and we also found a tree with green beans.
And a tree with green beans.
Mm-hmm.
All right, crank her up. Ooh, she puttered. Hang on. We set the choke.
Set the choke?
Where is it?
There, hold the throttle open. Huh? Just get in, man. I want to sit in something that... Because quite literally, I don't know what's fucking living in underneath there. Fucking wrap that tarp up on there.
Yeah, you're fine.
I still don't.
It's not gonna bite you in the dick. Get in there.
Well, somebody's got to drive it out of here.
Pull the damn choke.
Well, there's nothing in the carburetor, so the choke's not gonna do anything.
Well.
Probably leave the choke open and hit the gas pedal.
Shut it off. Got a little bit of gas leak.
Oh, God dang.
Well, she runs. Last tire. We'll see if she takes air, if she rises up. Rising up out in the street. Aw, she's lifting.
Shit. Crawl back in here.
Talk about the old barn find.
Jesse.
Yeah?
Tell me how my wheels are, Jesse.
What?
Like, get over there and
film this way, I see him backing out.
Okay.
I think that'd be a good shot. Are you on?
Oh yeah, we're rolling.
I just think it'd be cool sitting here and just watching it slowly come down.
Well, make sure you navigate them coming out of that thing.
Got your wheel hard.
That's fucking beautiful.
Oh, man.
That's fucking beautiful there, buds. Get in this fucking death trap. Let's roll.
Oh, God.
Should be in reverse.
Clear your way.
You're fixing to go off.
Hey, trailer!
I'm seeing.
Alright, just lug her in first gear. Oh yeah.
Now I know it goes downhill there.
Well,
We're gonna do this right here.
Sorry. This is awesome.
I thought you were smoking that fucking trailer.
Sorry. I was sitting there going around and going around and going around. I didn't smoke the trailer.